Now, as we have gone through all the elements of Rhino interface, it's time to learn how do we navigate our model in Rhino. It is important to understand this, and I will recommend you guys should make yourself familiar with navigation techniques by practicing on the demos, which I have explained in this video. So, if you are in any 2D view, like top view or front view or right side or another view which is in 2D, you can navigate your model in following ways. To zoom into the model or plan, use the right click of your mouse and hold the control key. Now, drag the mouse forward and backward to zoom in and out respectively. You can hold the shift key and use the right click of the mouse to pan into your model. The selection method is same as any other modeling or drafting softwares. From right to left, it will select whatever touches the selection box. And from left to right, it will select objects which will be fully immersed in the selection box. Now, let's go to perspective viewport and understand the navigation there. The panning and zooming and selection happen the same way as we did earlier. But to rotate and see around your model, hold your right mouse click and drag your mouse to left or right to activate orbiting. You will also find these tools under Standard tab in the horizontal bar. These were the basics of navigating in Rhino. We will cover more of it with the help of practicing exercises. Another handy shortcut I will tell you before getting into exercises, it is known as Popup. So slowly when you get used to of using Rhino on a regular basis, you do understand that there are certain tools which you use very often during your modeling. These tools may differ for individuals based on their work profile and modeling requirements. For example, if you are product design modeler, the tools and commands in your pop-up will be different from what an architect will have. Now, let's see, how do we set our own pop-up? First, click your middle mouse button or scroll button. It will directly open the pop-up. By default, Rhino has very few tools in the pop-up, which must be showing to you. I have already customized my pop-up, that's why it's different. Now, how to add your frequently used tools in the pop-up. Once the pop-up is in your screen, you have to select it. It will bring it into editing mode. Now, hover your mouse to any of the tool which you want to add in your pop-up for quick access. For example, I want to bring line command in my pop-up. For that, I will go to open the whole cascade toolbar of lines. And from that, I will add single line, which is the first one in my screen. Now, again, hit the middle mouse button to bring the pop-up back. Click it to go to editing mode. And now, hold the control key when your mouse pointer is over the single line tool. It will show you an option of copy link. Keep holding the control key. Now, click and drag the line tool and drop it in your pop-up bar to place it at your required space. That's it. It's done. Super easy. Same thing you can do for other tools as well. Now, what if you want to remove any tool from this pop-up? Just select the gear icon and go for edit button. It opens the list of tools which are there in your pop-up. You can delete whichever you want from here. This thing is not only for pop-up. It can be done with any of the toolbars in Rhino. For example, in the lines toolbar, you can do the same if you want to remove or add anything into it. There is another element which comes very handy If you are stuck somewhere and not able to find help anywhere, you can directly reach the Rhino Help Center. It will help in clearing your doubts or learn even further and get updated with the new things happening in the Rhino world. Just press F1 key in your keyboard. It will take you directly to the Help Center website. There you will get all the help related to Rhino, like tutorials, user guides, and other learning resources. There is also a help button under standard tab, which also do the same as F1 key. You can also add the help tab in your panels. Just right click on the tab line of panels and bring the help tab. You can also visit Rhino official website, which is Rhino3D.com. From here, you can buy Rhino license. Also, you get various resources like plugins for Rhino. It will take you to another website named as Food for Rhino. This website is the collection of various plugins which can be installed in Rhino as per requirements. It includes both free and paid plugins. From Rhino.com, you can also access various learning resources for specific fields like architecture, product design, jewelry design, and many more. So this was enough information about Rhino interface and its elements. It was important because from here on we will be learning through small exercises, and as the course progresses, we will increase the level. So see you in the next video. Keep practicing. Thanks.